Where do fleas live?
Fleas can live in the environment, mostly on pets, but they can live in the environment for an annoyingly long time, usually about 3 months. They have these really protective shells or kind of larval covers that would probably survive the apocalypse, but they are attracted by heat, and that is when they will open up. So it's really important to always have your pet on flea tick prevention, but especially for those 3 months. Because if you're constantly cleaning your house, they can live in the sofa, they can live in the carpet is a main area, they can live in the cracks between your floorboards, trying to make sure that you're removing all of those, pupa and cleaning all those areas to try and get rid of them is important.